Let's discuss some helpful hints in placing rectangular wire. First, remember that the wire size is very close to the slot size. Any frayed end from the cutting process may result in the inability to insert the wire into the tube of the molar band. Because of this, we sometimes will use a burr to round off the end before insertion. Do not force the wire into the molar tubes. Use a light wire plier to guide the wire to place. Your bracket alignment must be well prepared for placement of rectangular wire. Improper arch preparation will cause unnecessary pain and bracket debonding. A bad end may be created when using a distal end cutter on rectangular wire, thus preventing the removal of a wire from the tube. Do not force the wire. Merely cut the wire on the mesial of the molar and push the end out the distal of the molar tube. In this case, a distal end cutter is being used between the molar and the bicuspid band. When the bicuspid has a bracket in place, be careful not to debond the bracket with the force used to cut the rectangular wire.